So you wanna get started with Blender. Really simple. You downloaded it, you think it's gonna be easy, you're gonna watch a tutorial, and then you do the tutorial and you have no idea about how to do anything. You just followed along and you never touch Blender again. This is just going to be really simple. It's as simple as it gets. You just new general file. You have the basic cube here. Press, you click on it. If it's not selected, press tab. You see the little vertexes pop up. I'm going to make a car. Select these, E to extrude, and move it as far as you want. I'm going to select these, G, scale it on the Z axis by pressing Z, move it down, select these. By the way, I rotate the camera with the middle mouse button or by touching this gizmo. It's actually called a gizmo. Press E to extrude, select these two, G and Z, make it like this, select this, pull it out further with another extrusion. A car, well, it has no wheels, but I'm going to go into that right now. So we add a mesh, cylinder, yeah, sure. Here you see add cylinder. It's important after you add the cylinder, you don't click anything, otherwise this thing goes away here at the bottom and then you cannot set this, the vertices. I'm going to set it to 8 because locally aesthetic, I guess. And I'm going to set the rotation on the y-axis to 90. It turns to sideways. You can set it on whatever. Maybe you need to set it on the x-axis so it faces that direction, because you might start on the other axis. This is just how I got used to it. Radius. Yeah, let's make it smaller. Depth. I'm going to make it thinner. Maybe too thin. You can't manually write here. I'm going to write a 3. Maybe bigger. That wheel is just about big enough. Okay, now it's inside the car. You click on where it is. You see, I did select it. It's right here. G to move it, and Z because I want to move it down. G. So yeah, I clicked Y here to lock into this axis. G and X to move it on this axis. I'm going to put the wheel right here and G, Y to move it on this axis. There we go. Now I come here to the wrench, add modifier, a mirror modifier, and mirror object. I select the car. Bam, it's on the other side too. And I press the Y here. Bam, you have the front wheels, just not in the right spot. We'll fix that by coming here and pressing apply. Then select this, tab. We don't want everything selected, we only want to move the front wheels forward. So you come here to toggle X-ray, see right here. I select these, I press the X here to look into the view. So I'm going to move it on the y-axis, G to move and Y to lock it to the axis, move it forward. And now, don't need the X-ray, press tab to go into object mode again, and there you have the car.